Okay, so hello guys. Good morning, everybody. How's life? Great, excellent, yay. Okay, guys, so here, my name is Pemal. Just call me Pemal. Here, I will give you a trick. Why? Kenapa sih bule kalau ngomong itu ada letupannya kayak becak, tidak, becek? Kenapa, guys? So actually, guys, in a pronunciation in English, we learn about that. What is that? That is we call pop sound. So when you want to speak English, don't forget about your pop sound. Why? We have to say our pop sound because that make clear your speaking. Remember it, like it will make the differences. Ini akan membedain antara buat teman-teman ya, antara perbedaan kata dan arti. Contohnya berpikir dan benda. What is in English? In English berpikir, in English think. Ya, so, ada suara akhirannya itu ya teman-teman. So kalau benda itu bisa kita bilang think. So apalagi buruk dengan kelelawar. Buruk, bad. Ada suara d di akhir. So we have a lot of word sound like d. And you know guys, kalau kelelawar, bad. That's ada suara c-nya. Jadi kita nggak akan susah lagi ngebedain antara kelelawar atau bad tadi, atau Tuhan dengan kambing gunung. Biasanya oh my god, what is that? So kalau Tuhan itu harus ada letupan di akhirnya seperti d. Contohnya in American accent, God. Ada suara d di belakangnya. So in a British, God. Oh my god. Kalau kambing apaan, bro? Kambing itu adalah God. Ada suaranya ya teman-teman ya. So that's, you know guys, we have 8 pop sounds. Kita punya 8 suara pop sound itu teman-teman. Jadi teman-teman, you have to know pop sound if you want to speak English as like a native speaker. You know guys, you know. Okay, so I think that's all for me. I'm Pemal. Back to you and peace out, guys. Bye bye.